Hey, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process that I've used in the past and that I still use now to find winning products, to then test those winning products and also scale those products as quickly as possible. So if you're struggling to get sales or struggling to maintain consistent profits with your store, this video is going to outline everything on how to find the best possible products and then scale them profitably. So we're going to cover the type of store that you need. So is it going to be a niche store or a general store? How to then find the best possible winning products for that store as quickly as possible. How to have a proper product research system in place so you can always find the best possible products before anyone else. Then also how to test these products properly with Facebook ads and do it in the most cost-effective manner possible, so you can really test a lot of different products as cheaply as possible to then find those profitable ones that you can then scale. And then I'm going to show you how to scale those products as quickly as possible. So I'm going to cover everything in this video from A to Z. So the fastest way to success is you need to understand these 4 points that I'm going to outline here. So firstly, you want to start off with a general store. Now, a lot of people go to like niche stores or one product stores straight from the get-go. However, especially if you're getting started, it's really difficult to be profitable doing this, because it's most likely that the first product or the first 3 or 4 products that you test won't be winners and they won't be profitable. And so if you're going to create a niche store, then you're going to have to create a domain name, a logo, a store around that niche. So what you're doing is confining yourself to that specific niche. Whereas if you have a general store, you can just test a bunch of different products in different niches, different categories, and essentially just test loads of products and then find the best possible products to then go and scale. Whereas if you confine yourself to a specific niche or product type, and then that product doesn't work, you've then got to redesign your whole store, and it's going to take weeks or months of your time. So it's such a long and labour-intensive way of doing it. So the quickest and most efficient way is definitely to have a general store at the beginning. And then you want to focus on quality products, so be great at product research. Now in this video later on I'm going to show you how to have a proper product research system in place so you can always find winning products. And then your product must be unique and it must solve a problem. So problem solving products sell way better than like passion products or other products like that through Facebook ads, because they stimulate an impulse purchase. But you also want your product to be unique, and by that I mean you don't want it to be easily found at your local store or at Walmart or at Amazon. You want it to be something which consumers probably haven't seen before, and they're going to think that your store is unique for this specific product. And you also want to test products thoroughly. So you don't just want to like launch one ad set or one interest and then that fail and be like, oh, okay, that product doesn't work. You want to test at least 10 different ad sets or interests for that product to give yourself the best possible chance at success. And you also want to use a great video ad that's eye-catching. So if you haven't already, check out my recent video on my channel about how to create really engaging video ads, because that covers everything you need, especially when testing products and to really get a high click-through rate and therefore a profitable campaign going. You also want to make sure that you've got a compelling product description. Don't rush it, don't just copy and paste from elsewhere. You want to put some effort into your descriptions before launching your test. And finally, you want to identify the highest performing products out of the ones that you test. So let's say you test 5 different products following the methods that I'm going to outline in this video. You're then probably going to have one product that stands out, one that's profitable, it's getting consistent sales after 3 days, and one that you can potentially scale. So you want to identify this product, then kill all the rest of your loser products, and then really focus in and hone in on this product and then think about scaling it. Because when you test different products, you have the freedom to basically just kill off the ones which don't work and then just focus in the ones which do. So now we're going to go into my laptop now, and we're going to look at how to actually find winning products, how to set everything up properly so you can consistently find winning products that you can test and then potentially scale. Okay, so for product research, what you want to do is have 3 different tabs open, and what you want to do is pin these tabs. So the first tab that you want to open is Google Trends. The second tab that you want to open is lookupid.com. It's like an advanced Facebook search website. It's completely free. And you essentially just search terms in there and it'll bring up loads of ads and posts on Facebook which relate to that. And then you also want to have AliExpress open, so you can go and then obviously find the winning product that you find. So what you want to do is just pin these tabs here, and what will happen is they'll remain fixed within your browser, so you can't click off them or anything. So you've got your kind of little product research station here set up. So you've got like your search thing there, you've got your Google Trends and your AliExpress, so you can find the suppliers for the products that you find. So firstly, you want to head into lookupid.com. Then you want to go to Facebook search. Click Facebook search here, and it will bring you onto a page with lots of different advanced search methods. Then what I like to do is scroll right down to the bottom to the point where it says detailed search here, and then where it says keywords, I'll put in like a keyword which relates to a dropshipping ad. So something like save 50% today is a very common thing that dropshippers use when launching their ads. And what it will do is find different posts, different videos, different ads on Facebook with this search term in. So I'll just click search here, and then it will take you onto the Facebook platform. Okay, so as you can see, it's brought up a lot of different like Facebook ads related to this search term, save 50% today, different posts and so forth. So what you want to do is just check through, look for ones with high engagement rate, with products with good video ads that solve a problem, and just work your way through. And what I like to do also is click on videos here, so you bring up just video ads. And then once I've clicked videos here, what I like to do is get ads which are really recent. So I'll click 2019, so ones within the last few months. And then so here's all like viral videos and stuff of dropshipping ads. Pretty much 90–95% of them will be dropshipping type products. And so you just want to go through the list and just find ads with a decent amount of views, with a product which looks unique and that solves a problem. So following the criteria that I mentioned earlier. So I'll look for one here. So this top one looks quite good, this dust lizard thing. So if we just, what I'll do is just copy or open the link in a new tab so I can check out the ad, and then I'll just double click it here so it reveals the engagement of the ad. Okay, so here is the ad. It's a product which you use to clean out your washing machine or laundry machine or something like that. So it's a problem-solving product. It definitely solves the problem and serves a purpose. So you could potentially sell this through Facebook ad. It also looks like a low-risk product, something that wouldn't break in the post. It's just like a plastic tube that you would attach to your Hoover. So it's called the lint lizard. And also what you want to do is check out the comments, make sure that they're genuine comments, they're not spam comments, and they are positive comments. So people looking for the product, people tagging their friends and family, they're all signs that the product is in demand. Okay, so now I'm in my tab. Now I'm on my AliExpress tab for this product, and it's called a lint lizard, and it's basically like a universal dryer vent vacuum thing. So as you can see, it's priced at $4.74, so I could potentially get away with selling this for probably $25. So I'm going to get a good margin there on the product in which to acquire a customer. So it's a product which has reasonable perceived value and it solves a problem, so you could get away with probably times in this amount by 4 or 5x markup. I mean, you could definitely be profitable with this product through Facebook ads as long as you market it properly. So now I just want to finalize that the product is definitely in demand. So what I'm going to do is just hop into the tab that I pinned here, the Google Trends tab. I'm going to type in the name of the product. So I'm going to put in lint lizard here to see if anything comes up, to see if there's any search volume for this product. So as you can see here, the last 5 years there's been minimal interest in this product. Then within the last couple of months there's been a sudden increase. So it looks like this product's about to go viral. As you can see, this search volume has like gone up massively, and it's kind of going up and down. So it's definitely probably at the start of an exponential increase in demand for this product. So it's definitely a product I want to jump on now. So I'm going to show you now how to break down your different ad sets, how to test this product properly so you can find profitable audiences that you can scale into. Okay, so now you've found your winning product following the methods that I've just outlined. So we're going to test this lint lizard product that we just found. So here's the picture of it. So here's the testing method that I advise to use, and this is the quickest way to find profitable ad sets that you can scale. So what you want to do is do 10 different ad sets for this product, each ad set with a different interest relating to this niche, so things like cleaning and laundry and so forth. And then you just want to use Facebook interests to find more interests related to that. You don't need to overcomplicate it when testing. You want to do $5 per day each ad set with a purchase objective. Go straight to purchase, even if you've never had purchases before. It's the fastest way to get sales and build proper data. And then your conversion window, you want 1 day click or 1 day view. I've tested out various different methods, the different conversion windows, and this converts the best, especially for lower ticket items. And then you want a great video ad. You don't want to use a picture ad or anything like that. Video ads convert by far the best. You get the highest click-through rate by far, and it really showcases what the product does. So watch my recent YouTube video on how to create a really compelling video ad, one which stand out much better than other drop shippers. And then once you've done your video ad, you've got everything set up, you've got your test set up, you want to let it run for 24 hours. And then after 24 hours, you're probably going to have around about five low performing ad sets, ones which are getting bad click-through rates, aren't getting any add to carts, and are certainly not getting any purchases. And you want to kill these low performing ad sets, because generally a winning ad set performs well in the first 24 hours and then continues to perform well. So if it's not performing well after 24 hours, then kill it and save your budget. Then after 24 hours, you want to only keep ad sets, after 48 hours, you want to only keep ad sets which are profitable. So ones which are unprofitable and are below your break-even ROAS point, you want to kill those ad sets. So only keep the profitable ones now. And then after 72 hours, so 3 days, you want to only keep ad sets where the ROAS is greater than 2. So if it's greater than 2, then you can potentially scale the ad set. So if you've got a ROAS of like 1.5 and it's just about profitable, you can leave it running, but it's going to be difficult to scale because you've got no real room or leeway to really increase the budget. And then by the end of this process and this process of elimination and filtering down to the best performing ad sets, you should have about 2 to 3 ad sets remaining. So let's say you have 2 ad sets, 2 profitable ad sets with a greater than 2 return on ad spend. Now you can scale those ad sets. So what you want to do is duplicate the 2 winning ad sets twice. So for each ad set, you want to create 2 copies of the ad set, run it to the same audience, the same ad, everything. And then so in total now, you should have 6 ad sets altogether, 3 with one interest and another 3 with the other winning interest that you identified in your original test. Then run these 6 ad sets for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, if the whole campaign is profitable for that 24-hour period, so i.e. those 6 ad sets that you ran produce an overall positive return on ad spend, so it's profitable, then what you want to do is duplicate that campaign as a CBO campaign and run it as a CBO campaign. So a CBO campaign, if you're not familiar, is campaign budget optimization. So it's essentially where rather than allocating the budget at the ad set level, you're now controlling the budget at the campaign level, and then Facebook manages the allocation of the budget at the ad set level for you. So it's a great way, once you've found profitable ad sets, bunch them together in a new campaign and then start scaling at the campaign level, because it's a quicker way and a really efficient way to scale. Then what you want to do is scale the campaign vertically at the campaign level, and vertical scaling is essentially where you just increase the budget daily. So you want to increase the budget by 20% per day. So now by following this process, you've got your best performing ad sets, and now you're scaling the whole campaign at the campaign level and increasing the budget. And you want to keep increasing the budget until your ROAS starts to dip, and then you want to start duplicating more ad sets and start bulking out that campaign, whacking some retargeting campaigns, start utilizing the data like lookalike audiences and so forth, to really grow that campaign and take it to as far as it can possibly go. And if you want to copy and paste this testing and scaling method, it is in the description of this video, so go check that out, copy and paste it into your own document and use it when testing a product, and let me know the results that you get from this testing and scaling method, because it does work really well, especially when you get the right product. And so that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, find a great product following the research methods that I've shown, then test it and scale it following these exact methods that I've outlined here. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because I've got loads more videos coming soon, and I'll see you in the next video.